The halfway mark in the voice and the most terrible between the street. Each of them are 4 more every day. Next up, our time-traveling crew has to pay referential to the present day. In fact, it's a mere 36 million years ago, which is midway between the extinction of the dinosaurs and modern day. It's home
Is that your tongue?
mammal that has
Sabi mo kay Mommy, come here. Come here, Mommy.
They're going to a sea mammal.
Come here. Sabi mo kay Mommy. Sabi mo kay Mommy, no, no, no. No, no, no.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good,
Ano,
good. Sabihin mo kay Mommy, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Good girl. Show me your tongue. Good girl. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Good girl. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye, Mommy. Wala na. Wala na.